So let's start. So hi guys, we have some phenomenal results. We have two fitness trainers. These people are couple. They are working together. We have Sai and Dhanraj. And first of all, congratulations both of you for achieving
Thank you.
um uh, for achieving a goal of 68,000 in less than 2 weeks time or 2 weeks time, right? What exactly is
Right.
that?
Right.
Uh,
It's 2 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
2 weeks.
in less not in less in 2 weeks we have achieved 68,000. So congratulations first of all.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Okay. So we'll just start. Okay. So I will ask you few questions. Okay. So you can just answer it by sequence. Okay. Or or whatever sequence you both can decide. Either you can be the first speaker or he can be the first speaker. So it is up to you. Yeah, like whoever can be the first speaker. So let's jump into the interview. Okay. So just tell me, Sai, just tell me, Sai and then Raj, where are you are from and where are you based and where are you brought up or where are you born? Just tell me a little bit details about that.
Okay. So I'm from Kolhapur. I am born and brought up in Kolhapur, and he is from Mumbai,
Yeah,
right?
I'm from Mumbai, proper Mumbai itself. Born and brought up from Mumbai. But a few years back, we shifted in Nasik. But I again came back in Mumbai.
Okay.
So currently we
And
are in
In
Mumbai,
Mumbai.
working in Mumbai.
okay, and you both are working in Mumbai. And from how many years are into this fitness industry?
For me, it has been almost like 5 to 6 years.
Okay.
That means first was my purpose was to just to be fit, but then after like the interest built up, and then I turned into a trainer. Then I did some certifications to have some good knowledge, and then the things went on in positive way. And then after that, we met. Things turned out to be in a good
Good.
way.
Same goes for me. Actually, basically, I'm an engineer, but I also started the same way. I had gained much weight, and then I wanted to get leaner, so I started working out. I fell in love with working out, and also I thought I'll learn about it. So I did the certifications, and then started working in that career as well. And then we met, then we started working together.
And actually, means I was also my profession was different. I was means I have done animation, so I used to work on movies, Hollywood and Bollywood movies as a
Okay.
VFX artist. But then
Hmm.
after, because of this COVID situation last year, I lost my job, and then after means I was trying to get another job, but I was not getting a proper means the packages and the job designation which I was looking for. But then after I got into this again, and it was like a change. So my like I said that now I'm not going to work for someone else. I'll start working for myself.
Okay. So what was the time period that you decided this? Let's say like it has been 1 year,
And it
two
took
years,
me
or
like no, not 1 year.
It's
Means
just 3 4 months.
yeah, just 3 4 months.
It's just in 3 4 months.
Means in Jan and Feb I was looking for it, but then after like in March I said that no, I'm not going to work for anyone else. I'll start working for myself now, and I'll put all my focus into this. Means earlier also I was doing it, but not in this full flesh. Right now I'm doing.
okay. So it has been for like 3 4 months, and before that you used to also offer your services, and
Yeah,
right. And what
yeah,
exactly you used to both offer?
yeah. We both used to. Means earlier before we met,
Hmm.
We what was the question?
What exactly do you offer to people? Like what kind of services do you offer to people?
Okay, both. We were offering diet plans and personal training services.
yeah.
Hmm.
One-on-one, mostly one-on-one services, and rarely
Hmm.
group services. So we used to work in gym as well, right? Yeah, we
Yeah.
both used to work in gyms part time. Of course, we had
Mm.
full-time jobs, and we used to
Hmm.
work part time. But then we left it. We just wanted that experience. Everyone knows it is not much income.
Hmm.
Working, it is just good for experience and making some contact, few contacts.
Yeah.
Later, I realized that it is not. even good to make contacts. You can build contacts online much more efficiently than going in person.
Yeah, right.
And a good thing is, I wanted to say, since he doesn't have a job and he decided to work in fitness industry because it was his passion as well.
Hmm.
Good thing is that we found you on time because we were like directionless. He wanted to work full time in this profession, and then this pandemic hit, lockdown hit. Then that option was closed. Working in gym option was closed. So it was a good. We found you at the right time. You
Though
gave us online clients.
we used to get clients, but right now the clients means by quality wise, means by money wise, means earlier also we used to get clients, but we were not satisfied. हाँ ठीक है चलो मिल रहा है कुछ तो भी मिल रहा है ले लेते हैं.
We felt like we are not offered much value for our services. Not worth. The value was not worth for our service. But
Okay.
now, what has happened? We have got the confidence that we can find such people who will value our services and won't try to cut down the prices because we know that we offer a very good quality service. So we just want um, worth the amount or worth returns, okay, in terms of results as well and monetary value as well.
Okay, that's really nice, and I'm super happy you're following the entire thing. Okay, so let's to give you the people contest. So can you just elaborate that how much you used to charge before and how much did you started charging to people? Can you just elaborate so that people can get a little bit idea that what we are talking exactly upon? And can you just describe it in brief that what you used to offer and what you used to charge previously and now what you have offering and what you are charging right now so that people, all the people watching, then they can connect.
Okay, so when I started working in this industry, I offered diet plans for 3,000 rupees per month. I
Okay.
started with that. But then I used to get very few clients, like one client in 2 months or 3 months. 2 months, yeah, one client
Hmm.
in 2 months. And then for some period of time, I reduced my prices to 1,000 rupees. I had offer in March on the Women's Day offer. I sold my diet plans in 1,000 rupees, thousand
Okay.
rupees per month per client.
Hmm.
And then because I wanted clients and I wanted transformation results to show
Hmm.
people that
Hmm.
to show people my quality of work. That's why I
Hmm.
wanted transformation. And then, but then I realized that reducing my cost is not worth it because I'm actually we both are kind of people that we cannot reduce the quality of our work consciously or unconsciously. We cannot do that. Then why reduce the cost?
Though
Right.
we used to say that we'll give some means give like little bit of information, but
Right.
those things used to
Don't
not
happen.
happen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't happen. Even we try to hold back ourselves, like
Hmm.
we are charging less than, we may reduce the amount of service we give, but it doesn't happen. We cannot do that naturally. It doesn't come to us naturally. So it is. We realize that instead of uh, pressuring ourselves and reducing our cost, we wanted good quality. Quality as in we wanted those clients who know the value of a good service. They know worth of a good service. They realize that, and then they will pay you the amount. We wanted those clients, but we did not get access to such clients. And if you say personal trainings, I used to charge 10,000 per month
Hmm.
from the start, but I couldn't get those clients. I didn't reduce my cost.
Hmm.
Uh, in that area, but people used to listen to me और charge 10,000 यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा है एक महीने के लिए कितने sessions है 12 sessions. Even though I was providing a very good value, I have very good results, returns for my service in personal training as well. But people used to say this is too much. Uh, और नहीं आते थे clients. Basically, I didn't have much personal training clients before. And what is the difference now is we have started to get good quality clients because our consultation has changed. Previously, I used to go into teaching mode, but after you guided us with what you say, you have guided us with proper counseling script, right? Counseling skills actually. After that, we started getting, I don't know what happened, but we started getting good clients, good
Yeah,
quality
means
clients.
it is like upside down means totally we were downside, and then all of a sudden after meeting you, after your guidance, and it went up.
So yes, now we charge 7,000 per month for diet plans. It went from 3 to 7, and it may go up in future. It will go up, I think. The rate
Okay.
will go up in future because the quality is good and it keeps on improving day by day. We are sure of that. And about personal training, one-on-one personal training online, I charge 12,000 now per month. 12 seats. So that is a change. But now the difference is that I'm getting much clients now. And what change? What made a difference is you. You are the one who made the difference. What you did is you opened our mind to the possibilities because everything is in mindset, right? हमारा mindset कैसा था कि हाँ, people don't pay this much, people don't have money, people don't pay this much, but you opened our mind कि हाँ, people pay, you just have to find the right client, and you were confident enough, so we trusted you blindly. Literally, we trusted you blindly because you were confident enough and you had gotten results to yourself. So we didn't think about giving money to you, not even for a minute. We decided in half a minute because of your confidence, and we saw the hope you gave, right? And it was true. You changed
Yeah.
it. You changed it into
Means we took a right decision by going with you.
yeah.
Yeah. So from 1,000, you went like the 6 time more amount from no, the 7 time more amount that time.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Because
That's
quality is that much, right? So it feels like now we are getting returns for our
Means
service.
like earlier it used to happen like we used to give more efforts and getting less paid, and now we are getting means properly means what we were
Balanced, it is
expecting.
balanced.
Means it is totally balanced now.
okay. And how many calls you did for this?
What?
Can you please pardon?
We did four calls.
Yeah,
We did 4
4 calls.
calls. Out of 4, we got 3
3.
clients, 3 confirmation.
Yeah.
And even this is like just a reference calls, right? We haven't even started what you are offering us. We haven't even invested in
Ads.
sales ads. We haven't even done that yet. We are yet to try the approaches you have given us.
Yeah,
You have
right.
taught us.
Means
Yes.
whatever you told us to go this way, we were just following that
Yes,
path.
currently we have just followed the script and the format which you told us, the counseling format. That's it. We have just tried 20% of what you told us to do. We are
Yeah.
yet to try 80%.
So that's very nice. And like in just 3 calls, you made the double the amount you invested.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
means like in the first call was like here, second call was here, and the third call was here.
Yeah,
It went up.
cost is not the same for all 3 calls. It
Okay.
went up, and
Yeah.
the change was in mindset.
Hmm.
First, the amount we charged in first call, we felt like, yeah, this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. We were afraid to go up, but after the first call, I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. What changed in here? I think it is
Means
a
at
mindset
that time
change.
also, at the second call also, we were discussing should we charge this much, should we charge this much. Means we were not having that confidence.
Yeah,
And
even though we have confidence in our service, but we were not confident enough that people will give us that money. But your continuous mentoring and lectures changed our mindset, I guess. There is only change in mindset.
yeah, means
nothing.
we discussed if
Yeah.
we are not getting this, means whatever quality and training we are giving, means whatever knowledge we are giving, means like if we are not getting that much paid, then we don't want to put efforts. I told her means in straight away that we are not going to spend our efforts like this if we are not getting this much amount paid.
And I'll tell you
So it's better to not have a client.
I'll tell you where this confidence comes from. It comes from you because you said कि नहीं मिल रहा है client, अभी नहीं मिला, मिल जाएगा बाद में.
हाँ.
Don't reduce your work. Your service is good. You should get paid fairly. So you said ये नहीं मिला, मिल जाएगा, दूसरा मिल जाएगा. Client. So that confidence comes from you. This was the gap which you filled. That's because
Okay.
service वैसी ही है. Our service is the same, which keeps on improving, of course, but it is the same. The only difference is in the mindset and the gap, the incoming of clients. That there was the gap. That you filled those gaps.
Okay. You both got great energy. I can literally feel you from this
Yeah.
video call.
Thank you.
Yeah. Definitely. So I remember, like, you in the Q&A, you were asking me something, and during that time, you actually cracked one client. I remember well. Okay, and you are still struggling with that doubt, and you were actually trying to put yourself down, right? You remember that?
Right.
We did, yes.
Yeah. And so what was actually struggling with in that Q&A? What exactly you were struggling during that time?
I didn't get a question.
Okay, so I remember in Q&A session, you were struggling with a mindset doubt, and you jump on, you asked me about various people, okay, what he's doing and what. And during that time, I purposely cut you, right? You remember?
Yes, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because I did not want to keep you in that loop, okay, and I did not want to actually entertain that question because things were working for you. Okay, so what exactly went after that call? Did you did that call had any impact? Because since I told you that you don't need to focus on this thing.
Not just that call, but the other sessions as well. Which basically it tell you throughout your continuous guidance and the confidence you provide, that vision you provide, continuous guidance has changed our mindset. So it feels like I used to feel like, okay, my quality is good. I have very good quality. People, I shouldn't say this, but yeah, some people who don't have as much quality of service as mine are earning much more. What are they doing exactly? Because I thought everything depends on quality of service you give. There was a missing thing about sales. We have to reach out to people, right? This was the missing thing. How will people know about our quality unless we show it to them, unless we reach out to them? So this was the missing. Then I used to get confused that, yaar, ye kya kar raha hai? He is earning so much. He is earning too much, literally too much, which I wish to earn that much, providing a good quality service to the client. Then what is he doing? I used to get a question. He kya kar raha hai? I have to do that. Maybe there is something that missing in me. Maybe there is something that I'm not doing. I want to do that too. But then, as I said, after your continuous guidance and monitoring us, I got to understand that this I need not necessarily follow his way. Just have to do this. You said right. I just have to focus on sales. Service
Talking to
or
more people.
yeah, talking to more people, reaching out to more people is the way. And that's it. That made the difference. I don't need to look up to anyone else. I'll have to find my own way.
Okay. And how much time did you spend in this entire process? Because you were previously also doing that, all the things, and you were reaching out to people, but you still did not reach out, right?
No, I had no way other than social media.
Okay.
And also, as I'm still working in full-time as a full-time job, I have a full-time job and I do this part-time. So I still don't have much time. I have not given much time to this. Still, I have gotten this much result. So I'm very happy about it. I literally get hardly 2 hours a day, 2 to 3 hours a day to do other activities. I work 9 hours in my full-time job.
Okay. And then you still manages this whole thing in just 2-3 hours.
This doesn't take much time.
And actually, telling frankly, if she is a bit not good in time management, so I manage in that way. I tell her a day before, next day we have to do this. You get up early. You have to do this. I'll do this. I'll take his session today. You just tell him, or I call that means the client. So whatever how it goes, but she's not good at time management.
Some people are night owls. This is what partner has to do, right?
Yeah,
this is the gap we have, right?
You guys keep me out of this.
Yeah, okay. It's very good.
Yeah. Please continue, Dhanraj.
Yeah.
Yeah. So means uh, like I told you that she's not good in time management, and also that is also true that she has less time because her office timings are a bit odd, like 11 to 8. So
Takes up my whole day.
yeah, it takes her whole day.
So he does many of the tasks. He shares my tasks.
Hmm.
And whenever we have to make diet plans or counseling plans, so we plan accordingly. So we both sit together and then decide what to give, what not to give, and then after once it is done, we take a call with client.
Okay. And do you discuss the sales process? The sales
Yes, we
process
do.
right now, are
Yeah.
you discussing that?
Right now?
Like right now after this process, are you discussing with each other the sales
Yes,
process?
yes. As soon as we get inquiry, we don't
Hmm.
waste much time to set up their call. Of
Hmm.
course, I'll have to
Means next day we take a call with
next
him.
day. Yeah, yeah. If it is late today, then we take next day. Take the call next day, and we take out at least half an hour to discuss the sales process. I just open your uh, script, and then we discuss uh, how to proceed. Add a
Hmm.
few things first us, but we follow basically
Means
we'll
we
follow
try
your
to
steps.
find out what he actually wants. Means
Hmm.
what he is looking for and what is the time period he wants to get results.
Hmm.
Means we try to find out in the first.
Instead of teaching, we, as you taught us, we'll have to understand thoroughly what his problem is instead of telling directly what our solution is.
Hmm.
We'll have to, so we invest more time in we purposely silence us,
Hmm.
and then we try to find out what he wants, what he needs, and then we provide solution to him, and that is where the difference is, right? That is what is changed. We have tried understanding the other person more, the other person's needs, his problems. We spend enough time to understand his problems. In the counseling call itself, I used to do that after the person started plan with us,
Hmm.
but right now we have changed that. We have started understanding his problems in counseling session itself or consultation itself.
Yeah. And are you using this thing after the, like, let's say once the client is on board, are you using the same process to understand his problem more deeper after he's on board?
Yes,
Yeah.
that your technique always works. The more problems he tells us, yeah, we'll be able to serve him better, right? The more he tells us, we'll be able to help him. Even many times, when it comes to fat loss or exercise programs, many times people are conscious. I mean, the more they open up to us, the better, because we have to help them emotionally as well. Not just with the diet plans, not just to tell them what to eat, what not to eat, how to perform certain exercises. We have to motivate them as well, and we have to change their mindsets as well. So to do this, because this is important, unless and until we change our mindset, we won't make much difference in ourselves, right? Just like I said, why did we improve? Because you changed our mindset. That's why we saw the improvement, drastic improvement in 2 weeks.
Hmm.
So why were you able to do that? Because you understood our problems well. You used your technique to understand our problems, to make us talk more about our problems. The
Hmm.
same technique we use on our clients to understand them better and help them better.
Yeah. Yeah. And one more thing I want to ask, you have experience, like you might have done other internships or you might have worked somewhere else as well. Okay. So let's say you have done a lot of things, right? And what was the difference between joining me and between them?
Hmm. I've never taken complete full service, one-on-one service from anyone else. But yes,
Hmm.
I have signed up for few programs before.
Hmm.
But they were just courses, video courses. You can do this, you can do that. No one provided the difference between you and them is no one provided mindset change.
Means
Right?
it was recorded.
Yeah. Even if it was recorded, the recorded sessions also did not have mindset changes. Mindset or the vision or the confidence you provide those sessions didn't have. Those were all technical sessions, right?
Yeah.
How to do this, how to set up
Hmm.
your ad account, and how to run ads. Those were such video sessions. But nothing changed our mindset. That's what I'm saying. Technical things कोई भी सिखा सकता है.
Hmm.
But हम भी गूगल पे जाके सीख सकते हैं, right? We can learn it
Hmm.
anywhere. But the mindset change which you provided in such a short time, no one else taught that. Mindset as in the confidence that yes, you can get worth for your services, and yes, if ये client नहीं मिला तो दूसरा मिलेगा. Of course, there are lots of people that need you.
Hmm.
ये जो confidence है, you provided us that. That is the huge difference between you and other courses.
Yeah, actually, a lot of people actually take this mindset, like they don't take this session very seriously. In fact, they think that I'm just like they just don't take it seriously. A lot of people, actually, most of the people also skip this part also.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of people do. In fact, let's say in 10, only 4 people will do the mindset and 6 people will actually skip it.
Okay. So the difference is you reached out to us. That made the difference.
Yeah. And
Others
so,
didn't reach us.
can you please pardon?
I said others didn't reach us. You reached out to us.
Yeah. No, after even, let's say, the people, those who are like, after enrolling the program, people don't take this mindset section very seriously.
Okay.
Okay. And like, I'm very proud that you have taken like this whole thing seriously. And I'm definitely sure whatever you are making right now at this moment, in coming next 6 months, 4 months, you are going to 4x whatever the current growth is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
And I'm definitely sure about this.
Yes.
Yeah, even means like just getting to that mindset point means
Hmm.
even clients, I tell them means after the counseling call is about to end, means at that time, means I tell them that whatever we are going to do, you just make up your mind. Means
Hmm.
nothing is impossible. Everything we means you have to just make up your mind. Yes, I'll do this, and this is possible. Means whether he's obese or thin or however it means if he's having injury means
Hmm.
even I give my examples means I met with an accident
Hmm.
and then after like I still haven't my ankle was broken. I
Okay.
still have screws. I still do heavy squats now.
Okay.
So I give them my example that like everything is like your mental strength.
Okay.
Just be cool. We are there to guide you. So don't worry, just make up your mind. So and you did the same thing like with us. The mindset you changed.
He showed us his results,
Yeah.
and I saw your numbers climbing up. You
Yeah,
said
it means she used to tell me like, see, he has multiplied so much.
before you approached us, I used to tell him I observed your journey. You used to put
Oh.
up stories on Instagram and Facebook. I saw your stories. First you got some 20,000, then you said I have a target of reaching 1 lakh, which
Hmm.
it seemed difficult for us because we had that the people don't want to pay, people don't have money. Then you said I'll reach this goal in 1 week, and you did that. And then it continued for a month, for 2 months. Then we thought this guy is doing something different.
Yeah.
This guy is good. He changed.
Okay. So I can say that like my stories was the decision factor to started working with me.
Yes.
Okay. And beside this, or is this only this thing?
This also, and your story as well. And I remember once you talked to me, once you had called me to monitor your diet and programs, fat loss program. Then you told me, you gave me that book name, Expert Secrets.
Yeah.
You told me just read this book, it will change your mindset completely.
Hmm.
Then I started reading, and it was really good. So what you did is you provided some free service, you can say. I mean, the service free of cost. You provided that to me without any hesitation. You just told me, you listen to this book, it will change your mindset. And it did. So that also made some difference. And then you approached us, and we were already impressed with your journey. And then you approached us, and you gave us the one thing we wanted, desperately, which was exposure to many clients, exposure to many people. So you fill the gap and you won our hearts. What can I tell you?
Yeah, thank you so much, thank you so much. And one more question I have for you. Okay, so let's say if you want to suggest other people working with us, would you suggest that?
I'm already thinking about suggesting you to many people,
Yeah.
including my family, my sister and my father as well. So
Okay.
I'm making up their minds so
Ha.
that they directly approach you. I'm making up their minds. Because they are also seeing my progress, right? My
Hmm.
father is also impressed that I got 41,000 directly sent to my account.
Hmm.
He knew the quality of my service,
Ha.
but he also knew that I was not getting clients who know the worth of my
Hmm.
service. Then the day before yesterday, I told him that I got such clients and I'm giving services to them and I'm progressing this much. He was so impressed. Then I told him your name that yes,
Hmm.
Sharon is doing this. Sharon is changing my mindset. Then
Yeah.
I said you should also approach him. My father
Ha.
said I will approach him someday. So one more client is coming your way.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Thank you so much. And what was the happiest moment once you started working with us? Okay, so for both of you, you can just elaborate one by one. What was the happiest moment in this in your journey?
Happiest moment was losing the fear of losing clients. We no more have fear of client. Even though the client doesn't come to us, he doesn't take our service.
Hmm.
We don't have the fear any longer, right? So that is the happiest. That will make you happy. If you lose the fear, if you take out the fear, it will make you the happiest.
Yeah, thank
That
you,
was
thank you. I got it, I got it. And what was your happiest moment, Dhanraj?
Yeah, like means frankly speaking, uh, getting paid for the quality which we are providing.
yeah. The moment we got paid,
Yeah.
right?
Obviously, जो भी है पैसा मैटर करता है. We
Obviously,
are
every
providing
time.
the service. Yeah, we are providing the service. So we want that much to get paid, and
Hmm.
looking at that amount, that is making us happy. Yes, now we can means it gives a boost to us also. Now we can give more efforts. Means whatever he is paying, we'll
We
give.
feel motivated to
And
give even more.
I do means I experiment on myself also. Like now the gyms are closed.
Hmm.
There are weights in the house, so I try some different means exercises
Hmm.
for the chest
Hmm.
and like functional training on myself, like
Hmm.
how it works.
Hmm.
And then I tell my clients also
Hmm.
to follow the same.
So basically, we are relieved of the stress of
Losing
client
clients.
मिलेंगे हाँ. We are free of that stress. So we have more time and energy to do the experiments and improve our service. And I'll tell you one more thing. The happiest moment, if you are saying about Dhanraj, if you're asking about Dhanraj, so as he said, he is not earning for 4 months now, 4 5 months now,
Almost
6
months.
months, 6 months.
Yeah.
So he had lost his job, right?
Ha.
So getting this much money, see, we got that in we got 68K in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We used to get very less than that after a month of working 9 hours every 5 days a week.
Right. And the pressure, like the
Pressure is a
senior
different thing.
pressures,
Yeah,
senior
pressure is
pressurizing you, that was different. Have to work more. In this field, we have to only give 2 hours.
2 hours, and we are passionate about it. So
Yeah,
we like
and
this
we like
work.
it.
Yeah, even if
Means
we
whenever
work
we train a client,
Hmm.
after having one-on-one personal training, like our mind is fresh.
we feel energetic.
Yeah,
More
and we
energetic.
feel energetic.
Because this is what we like.
And like if means I'm such a person, if I get stuck in one place, means I literally get frustrated. So I need something to do. And whenever I train clients, means like I didn't have a job. So
He was very
when
frustrated before
means
meeting
in
me.
Feb, I again started working out. Means like almost I had a 2 years of gap. Means I was not working out. Then in Feb, I started working out. At that time, means in gym, means the trainer used to ask me, so are you a personal trainer? Like, I said yes, I am a personal trainer, and we used to both work out together. So they
Hmm.
also approached her. They asked her,
Hmm.
like, you both are personal trainer. We said yes. Then they asked us that how much do you charge? So we told the range for the personal training. We charge 10,000. So they were
Hmm.
like, so you charge 10,000. Then I
Hmm.
asked,
And they were
how much do you charge? So like,
Hmm.
they said we charge 5K for this.
Hmm.
Well, okay. So at that time also means we said then yeah, it's okay. The area was different. The way means where we used to stay earlier, that
Hmm.
was different. And then means I started
basically we thought, right?
after that the trainer in the gym, he asked me, we had a means his friend has a gym, so he asked me, would you like to do a part-time job? Means I was sitting whole day at home and getting frustrated.
Hmm.
So I told him that okay, it's okay, I'll go. So means after a long time, I was again working on the gym floor. So it was a bit awkward for me to get
Hmm.
settled. But then after means, and at that time also means the experience was different. The trainer over there, they used to tell me, don't give full stretching, don't give them much knowledge, so they won't approach you for the PT. Like I was like, what is this? Means I am here for as a personal. I mean, I'm here as a trainer.
Hmm.
So at least I need to approach the client and tell them that the way you're doing it is wrong. You have to do some changes. So that is my nature. And then means again we met you and the things went up.
Because he was getting paid very less there as well. I'll
Means
tell you
at
as
that time
less
also
as
means I was not looking at the amount, but I was just looking out to take out my frustration, not to get more irritated sitting at home. So I used to go over there.
Hmm.
But now again, this thing means we have started
Hmm.
getting clients, and that level of satisfaction in terms of money also, in terms of energy also means it is settled.
in terms of quality clients as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. You have applied all the framework, and I'm super proud. And I'm definitely sure whatever you're doing, like you are going to do the 4x, 5x in coming few months, and we'll do another interview at that time as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So one last question. So let's say, what will be your message to the people? Let's say, what will be the your message to the people and the old version of Sai, the old version of Dhanraj. Okay, let's say a year back or 2 years back when you started in this space. Okay, what will be the old message to the old Sai and to the old Dhanraj?
You want to hear old and new or just old message?
No, I want to tell, let's say if you want to give a message to your older version, the
Oh,
older Sai.
no.
Yeah. So what will be that? So Sai, you can continue the first or Dhanraj, whatever it is, like whosoever can take the seat. You got the question, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got the
yeah.
question.
Yeah.
So that would be, you don't have to depend on other person
Hmm.
to judge your worth. You should know your worth. Your quality is good. Your service is good, and you should get paid that much. You don't have to compromise. You
Hmm.
just have to put in the work in sales. I would say sales and marketing. Till now, till before I met you, I used to put in work just to improve my services. I thought I'm not getting paid enough because I don't have a quality service. I'm not providing a quality service, even though I saw the quality of service our market has. Those
Hmm.
people, even mediocre quality gets paid good sometimes. I was not getting what is the difference. Maybe
Hmm.
I'm not providing, maybe I don't know enough stuff, or maybe I'm not providing good quality service. But that thinking was wrong. I
Hmm.
just needed to divert my attention a little bit to reaching out to people more. I didn't know it back then. I
Yeah.
would tell exactly what we did together from
To
last
my
month.
to your older
Yes.
version.
Yes, because you are enough.
Yeah.
You have enough knowledge to change or transform someone's life. There is someone out there who needs you desperately. You don't have to look at the money, or you just have to reach out to that person. Even this is even higher than money. This is more than money. It's not just about money. It's about changing someone's life for better. Because I have changed my life. I used to be too fat. I used to have lots of health issues like PCOS, acne problems, and many more. I'll tell you the list, it will go on forever. That's how I transformed my life. I never thought, honestly, I never thought I would get a husband as handsome and as hot as him. Because I was too fat and I considered myself ugly. But I transformed myself because just based on science and the correct knowledge. So there is someone out there who needs me. I know they are at their lowest and they need me. I just reach out. I have to reach out to them, and not improving the quality of my service, but the improving knowledge about sales and marketing.
Yeah. And what will be your message to the older version of Dhanraj from your side?
Like my will be short and precise. To my older version of me is never doubt yourself and just keep means have confidence on yourself. Means like earlier I used to doubt myself whether I will get paid for this. Means, am I lacking somewhere that I'm not getting good clients and I'm not getting what my desired amount. So means my message to the older version will be like keep confidence on yourself, keep progressing, and don't doubt yourself.
Yeah. So let's say who's ever watching this video and they want to contact you. So how can they get in touch with you?
We didn't get your question.
So who's ever watching this video want to contact you. Okay. So let's say people from Mumbai, or let's say people from Nasik, or people from wherever, or those people who are watching this video, they want to get in touch with you. How they can get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with Instagram handles.
Yeah, you will tag us in this video, right?
Yeah, I'm going to put the link. Okay, so you just send me the link. I'll just
Instagram handles,
Yeah.
Facebook.
yeah.
And soon our website will also be put up.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
for now, they can contact us over social media.
Yeah. Fine. I will just put the Instagram handle.